Today, I'm going to show you how to completely remove Google Drive from your laptop or PC. If this guide helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Google Drive is great for syncing your files, but if you no longer need it or it's causing issues, uninstalling it is the best solution. Sometimes people run into errors saying Google Drive is still running in the background, so I'll show you how to stop it first before uninstalling. Here's what you need to do. First, open Task Manager. You can do this by pressing the search bar on your computer and typing Task Manager, then clicking to open it. In Task Manager, use the search option at the top and type Drive. Look for Google Drive in the list of processes. Once you find it, select it and click End Task at the top. This will close Google Drive completely. Now that it's closed, you can uninstall it without any problems. Press the Windows button at the bottom of your screen, go to Settings, and on the left-hand side select Apps, then choose Installed Apps. At the top of this page, type Drive in the search bar and find Google Drive in the list. Click the three dots next to it, choose Uninstall, and confirm when the pop-up appears. Windows may ask you one more time to confirm, so just click Uninstall again and wait for the process to finish. And that's it. Google Drive is now completely removed from your computer. If you were getting an error about Google Drive being open before, this method should solve that issue. If this tutorial helped you out, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with anyone who might need help uninstalling Google Drive too.